So right now we're gonna place our phone on top of this. So again, all we have to do is just extend this out. We're gonna place our phone right on top. We're gonna extend this out a little bit more. It should snap in like so. So that should look like that. Just hook this up on the side. So you guys hear that? It's nice and aligned. Now this, you might not be able to get it in if you guys have a case over your phone. So it depends on your case as well. However, my case did not fit, so I had to take out my case. So right now what we're going to do is connect to our aircraft. So all we have to do is just press Connect Aircraft, bottom right hand side. From here, just swipe and select Mavic Air 2. And these indications are exactly what you have to do. Okay, so we already placed these. So what we have to do is just press once, then press again until it beeps like so, and that means it's powered on. Then it's just gonna take us to the next step once you do that. And to power on, it's the same thing as powering on our remote control. We press once, and then we press and hold. And that's perfect. Right now, it's actually turning on. So you guys hear those noises? That means it's turning on. Everything's going okay. It's just checking. Make sure it's on a flat surface as it is right now for me. And at this point in time, everything should be synced up automatically. So we should see stuff coming up on our app, which we will get to right now. So at this point, what's going on in the app is more important. So I'm just gonna click on agree. Then it's gonna ask you to confirm your billing, which would be your Gmail address, Hotmail address, whatever your email is. And from here, we should hear a few noises coming from our drone and a few lights happening.
Updated. Please check it on the map.
So at this point, I want to show you what's normal. We should see those lights, and on your app itself, it's going to tell you a bit more stuff. So not everybody will get this message. It depends if you guys have purchased it or didn't purchase it. It is a good deal and it might be worth it for some of you. So go ahead and purchase it if you guys haven't done so, or else just press on the X. And then we should see this message. Now we have inserted our SD card, and since our SD card is more than 8 gigs, which is what comes inside your drone, we're just gonna press on confirm. And yes, for example, you guys press on more, it's gonna take you to the website. So here's the website, and that's where you guys can purchase anything. However, in this case, we're just gonna press on cancel, press on the X again. We're just gonna confirm this. And the aircraft has been activated. At this point in time, you should see any updates that are available. So to update, yes, all you guys have to do is fire up your app, and we should see an update up here. So we're gonna go ahead and press update. It's gonna download the data. And again, any updates will automatically show up. At this point, what you're hearing is normal. That's exactly what we should hear from our drone when it's updating. Just make sure not to power off your remote control or anything, even your iPhone. Make sure it's fully charged, it's ready to go, because you do not want it to turn off when you're doing any updates. At this point in time, just remember to open these guys up. And once you open them all up, you're ready to go and fly for the first time. And that would be it for this setup video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.